Lead Login Guide for Sahaj Mitrs.
Step 1. Visit retail.sahaj.co.in. Step 2. Enter your 16-digit Sahaj Mitr ID and password. Step 3. Click on All Services.
Step 4.
Select Express Loan under Banking Services. Step 5. Select the product for which you would like to generate a lead. Current product offerings include housing loans, loan against property, and micro loan against property. Step 6. After selecting a product, enter customer's mobile number and click on Proceed and get OTP. Step 7. Enter OTP and click on Verify OTP. Step 8. Now enter the required details of customers for lead generation. Step 9. In the last field, enter employee code of Piramal Relationship Manager to whom this lead should be assigned. If you do not have a Piramal Relationship Manager employee code, you can leave this field as blank. Click on Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully generated a lead with Piramal Finance.